Ever walk into a store, scan a barcode on your phone, and have all your purchase options appear instantly, including loyalty points and past purchases? Feels futuristic, right? But that's the power of a unified commerce platform like Shopify, and Shopify POS Pro is the secret weapon behind that seamless experience. If you're a retailer looking to take your business omnichannel, then this video is for you. We'll be diving deep into Shopify POS Pro, unpacking its features, its benefits, and ultimately, helping you decide if it's the right fit for your brand. So, buckle up, store owners, because we're about to unlock the potential of in-person sales in the age of online shopping giants. The traditional retail struggle, online versus in-store. Let's face it, running a retail business in today's world can feel like a constant tug of war. You've got your online store, a fantastic website that captures a wide audience. But then there's the in-store experience, which can sometimes feel disconnected, relying on clunky cash registers and separate inventory management. This disconnect translates into lost sales opportunities. Imagine a customer browsing online, finding the perfect product, only to discover it's out of stock when they visit your physical store. Frustration sets in, and they walk away, potentially never to return. Enter Shopify POS Pro, bridging the gap. This is where Shopify POS Pro comes in. It's the hero in this retail struggle, the missing link that connects your online and in-store experiences into a smooth, unified flow. Think of Shopify POS Pro as an extension of your Shopify online store, but specifically designed for the in-person customer. It transforms any device, like a tablet or smartphone, into a powerful point-of-sale system. This means faster checkouts, better inventory management, and a seamless experience for your customers, no matter where they choose to shop. Unpacking the features of Shopify POS Pro. Now let's get down to brass tacks. What features make Shopify POS Pro such a game changer? Inventory management on steroids. Gone are the days of manual inventory counts and spreadsheets. Shopify POS Pro keeps your online and in-store inventory in perfect sync. A sale happens in-store, your online stock reflects it instantly. This eliminates overselling and ensures you never miss a sale due to inaccurate stock levels. Happy staff, happy customers. Shopify POS Pro boasts a user-friendly interface that's easy for anyone on your team to learn. This translates into faster training times and happier employees who can spend less time wrestling with the system and more time focusing on customer service. Faster checkouts, more sales. Nobody likes waiting in a long checkout line. Shopify POS Pro streamlines the checkout process with multiple payment options, including tap-to-pay and contactless payments. This keeps customers happy and encourages them to return for a quick and convenient shopping experience. Customer profiles for deeper connections. Shopify POS Pro lets you create customer profiles that store purchase history and preferences. This allows you to personalize the shopping experience, offer targeted recommendations, and build stronger customer relationships. Loyalty programs that keep customers coming back. Reward your loyal customers with a built-in loyalty program feature. Track points, offer exclusive discounts, and create a sense of community that keeps customers engaged with your brand. Is Shopify POS Pro right for you? While Shopify POS Pro offers a treasure trove of benefits, it's important to consider if it's the right fit for your specific business needs. Here's a quick checklist. Do you have a physical store in addition to an online store? Are you struggling with disconnected inventory management? Do you want to offer a faster and more convenient checkout experience? Do you want to build stronger customer relationships? If you answered yes to most of these questions, then Shopify POS Pro could be the key to unlocking the full potential of your omnichannel retail strategy. Shopify POS Pro is an investment in the future of your retail business. It empowers you to compete effectively in the online world while offering a seamless in-store experience that keeps customers coming back for more. Remember, a unified shopping experience is no longer a luxury. It's an expectation. With Shopify POS Pro, you'll be well equipped to meet those expectations and thrive in the ever-evolving retail landscape. Shopify POS Pro offers a robust suite of features designed to streamline your operations, boost efficiency, and ultimately, keep your customers happy. Whether it's managing multiple locations, gaining deeper customer insights, or simply ensuring faster checkouts, Shopify POS Pro has the tools you need to take your retail business to the next level. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.